Hey Houston homeowners, my name's Ivan. I'm with the Restoration Addicts. Just wanted to let you guys know that we've been here in the Houston area for over 10 years, providing wildlife and pest control solutions to homes across the entire city. If you guys have any questions about anything, hearing noises in the attic or have unwanted pests, call us, let us go out, let us give you guys a free inspection. It won't cost you guys anything to see what's going on and what we need to do to get you guys taken care of.